Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let us discuss about business communication. What is business communication? Business communication is the nervous system of a business. Business can't happen in the dearth of communication. According to well-known professors William Pride, Robert Hooks, and Jack Cooper, business is the organized effort of individuals to produce and sell for a profit the goods and services that satisfy society's need. A business then is an organization which seeks to make a profit through individuals working towards a common goal. Okay? Then the success of a business depends on the efficacy of business communication, because in business communication transaction occurs between two or more parties to exchange business related information. These parties can be the management, the government, the workers, the managers, the customers, the shareholders, and so on. Business communication takes place in various contexts, whether making a business presentation or conducting a meeting, mediating a dispute, or writing up a mail, or negotiating a business deal, etc. Okay? To communicate a managerial decision, a manager may use an office order mail. An entrepreneur may send in a proposal to the government to get approval for a startup. All of these are format of business communication. Business communication is both a necessary and a challenging aspect of business life. A business may be the most innovative and efficient enterprise in its area, but in order to sustain and survive, it must be able to communicate the value of its products and services to existing and potential customers. The effective business communication skills are the prerequisites to business success, because individuals involved in business increasingly face an information overload and shorter time spans within which they are required to organize their ideas and communicate them clearly and concisely. The business communication skills can act as the magic wand that can help managers render their services with utmost sincerity and efficiency. Then we will discuss about the famous 2 to 3 definitions of business communication. What do you mean by communication? The communication means sharing or exchange of thoughts or ideas. According to Oxford dictionaries, the communication means the transfer or convey of meaning. We also discussed about another definition of communication, like we will take the definition of G.G. Brown. The communication is transfer of information from one person to another, whether or not it elicits confidence, but the information transfer must be understandable to the receiver. According to Fred G. Meyer, communication is the intercourse by words, letters, or messages. Okay. We will discuss the next in part 2. Thank you. Bye.